got all the leaves in all the plants and trees. You can see the leaves color will be green. When it is green only, our life also will be green, that we can take fresh air. We need fresh air. As children, we need fresh air. As forest, trees, plants are there, we can take in fresh air and we can breathe. And then only we can live alive. So, you all have seen many plants and trees. The leaves will be greenish in color. And you have seen many varieties of trees, many types of trees. That is, trees and plants you have seen. Many, that is like difference between a tree. A tree will be big. Big and tall plants are called trees, to whom we call trees, which is big and tall. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. It will be so big with the hair. That is the example. Mango tree, coconut tree, neem tree, you have seen around us. Our surrounding only many trees you can see. Coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree. Neem tree, what will tell in Kannada also? Bevina Mara will tell. Okay, got it children? So, trees will be very big. By seeing that we can tell, yeah, so big, the tree is so big, so huge. Because the roots will be growing under the soil, the roots will be under the soil, grown with the help of the soil. The roots will grow and it will give what all essential for the trees and plants. It will give from the roots, it will go to the stem and branches of the tree and plants. So, see children, big and tall plants are called trees. What are trees? Big and tall plants are called trees. For example, coconut tree. Coconut tree is so tall, my children. Coconut tree is so tall. These are the example for trees. And you are seeing shrubs. Near our house or in our house only we will be growing many plants. In that plant you can see rose plant, hibiscus plant. The shrubs will be bushy. Very bushy. Bushes of, it will be very bushes of tree. The plant will be very bushy. And it has hard stem. Hard stem. What does a shrub have? Hard stem. It is a very small plant and it has hard stem. See children, you can observe only in a small stem it has many branches. It will be having many branches and in that branches only it is capable of giving the flowers. You have observed rose plant. Many would have been seen rose plant and hibiscus. You have seen, it is around us in our environment itself. The rose plant is very small, you have observed, and the hibiscus, the stem will be very hard and small, but it has many branches in the small stem itself. Hard stem, as it has hard stem, it will give many branches and it is called, that is, it will be bushy also. It has hard stem and many branches and it is very bushy. It has hard stem and in the hard stem it has many branches and it will be bushy type, bushes. It will be like bushy, it will be. You can observe through that. It is shrubs. Got it children? See what I thought first is trees. Many big and tall plants, that is called trees, big and tall, it will grow tall, big. It is trees. An example is coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree. And now you can observe shrubs. Shrubs have hard stem. It has hard stem, and it has in that hard stem thin and hard stem, not thin, that is hard stem only, it is small. It will be very small. The plant will be very small and it will be bushy type. See, in that small plant, or you can see many bushy type and many branches. It is called shrubs. It is called shrubs. Example is rose plant. Example, rose plant and hibiscus. Hibiscus plant. These are called shrubs. And now come herbs. Herbs have very thin stem. What it has? Very thin stem. It has very thin stem. And this thin stem small plant is called herbs. For example, Tulsi plant. What does Tulsi plant help us? Tulsi plant helps us in medicinal. Yes, children? You know that Tulsi plant helps in medicinal. It is a medicinal plant. Now, see children, now trees, again I will repeat, I will teach you again. Big and tall plants, big and tall plants are called trees. Example, coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, etc. Now, shrubs. Shrubs means it will be very small plant, but it has hard stem. It will be bushy type. It will be very bushy and it has hard stem and many branches in that. Example, rose plant, hibiscus plant. This is called shrubs. Now come herbs. Herbs are very thin stem. They have very thin stem. You can break it earlier, so fast, like tomato plant also. Yes, in tomato plant and Tulsi plant, you can break the stem. You can break this stem very easier. You can break the stem very easy. It will be so thin. That is called herbs. Thin stem and it will grow. Thin stem and it grows well. This name is herbs. Trees means big and tall plants are called trees. Shrubs which have hard stem and many branches and bushy type. It is called shrubs. And herbs which have thin and soft stem. It will be thin and soft stem. It is called herbs. There are three types of plants. That is trees, shrubs and herbs. Got it, children? Today you have to practice this. You have to listen. You can observe. You can go through the plants. What are you seeing? Trees. What are you seeing? In next class, I will teach you that creepers and climbers. Now first, you have to understand what I taught you. This is big and tall plants. You can observe in your environment. As ma'am told, where is the trees, you can observe and you will see, you can. That is coconut tree. Coconut tree which is big and tall plant. Then comes shrubs which have hard stem and many branches. It is bushy. It will be very bushy. And example is rose plant, hibiscus plant. And then come herbs. Herbs are very thin and soft stem. Soft and thin stem. Soft and thin stem. And this example is Tulsi plant. Tulsi plant is used for medicinal, Tulsi plant is used for medicinal. For cold also, what mother will tell, first you can take tulsi leaf, she will give to you, she will boil it and she will give the juice of it. That is, each and every nature what God has created, what nature has given us, it is very important and it is very necessity what it's giving us. See, in shrubs it gives us rose plant and hibiscus plants, it gives us flower. Got it, children? See, it is all very important. In trees also, see, we get coconut, mango and neem also. Neem, it is very important. It is a medicinal plant, medicinal tree which is big and tall. That is called neem tree. So, children, you all can observe, you all can practice and you can see the differentiate in your house or in your neighbor, if they have, you can see trees, shrubs and herbs, the three parts of a plant. First of three types of plants, varieties of plants. Big and tall plants, coconut tree, example. And shrubs has hard stem and it has many branches in it. It is very bushy type. And example, rose plant, hibiscus plant and herbs. It has very thin and soft stem. Example, Tulsi plant. It is also a medicinal plant. It is used for medicinal. Children, you can practice it. You can observe. You have been seen many trees, plants, that is variety types of like shrubs and herbs. Okay, children. Today, the first part I taught you in the lesson green wealth. How the trees and plants is very greenish.